All right, folks, let's talk about question number 1. Okay, in this question, you have one unknown that's inside the box that you're trying to solve. The problem over here is that what is that number that when you punch into it will make the whole system works, and then also it will be equal to 1 and 1 over 6. So the method over here is to start simple, start easy. What do I mean by that is you can calculate whatever you can calculate and simplify it first. So let's start simplifying it. When you have the division, when you have the the mixed fraction, and also the decimals over here, you wanted to change everything into an improper fraction. The reason why is it's easier for us to solve the equation. Okay, so let's start from 1 and 2 over 3 divided by 5.5. So 5.5, this one is 55 over 10. And if it's divide, then just multiply 10 over 55. You already know that. And this one is 5 over 3. Okay, so then I can actually solve this first, right? So 1, 11. Okay, so I have 10 over 33. So just right here, I have 10 over 33. So let me just move it up here. So that's that. All right, oftentimes I like to do is I just cross it out. It means that that's been solved already. And the second thing is that it's plus, right? It plus a whole thing over here, which is 1 and 7 over 12 divided by 2.25. So let's simplify this as well. Okay, we'll see what's going on with that. Okay, so then that will give you 12, 19 over 12 divided by, still divided by, because you still don't know what's inside here yet. So over here, I'm going to change that as well. So I can do is 225 over 100, or what I can do is 2 and 1 over 4, which is 2 and 1 over 4. I'm going to make my life even easier, 9 over 4, right? 9 over 4 minus a box and equal to 7 over 6, just to make my life easier. Okay, so over here, this is what you're trying to find out. I have the whole part over here, which is this. I can't solve this because one of the elements is missing, and it's divided by. I kind of have to ignore that. But in order for me to know the value for this whole thing here, it's actually not that difficult because, hey, I have 10 over 33 plus that whole thing, the big thing here, is equal to 7 over 6. Does that mean it's kind of like this? 3 plus, I'm just making up random number, by the way. A bracket is equal to 7 over, is equal to 5. And what is the box? Apparently this is 2. Why? Because we used the 5 minus the 3. Right? Remember what we talked about before in the beginning of the pages? Okay? So it's the same ideology. We're trying to solve for the big box over here, so then I can tackle it down step by step. So in order for me to do that, 19 over 12 divided by 9 over 4 minus the box is equal to 7 over 6 minus 10 over 33, right? Use that to minus that. And see if I can get something. 19 over 12 divided by 9 over 4 minus the box is equal to, so 66, 77 minus 66, 20. Okay, so let's go one step further. 19 over 12 divided by 9 over 4 minus the box is equal to 57 over 66. Okay, so over here, this is divided by... All right, I know 19 over 12 divided by something. I still don't know what that is. I'm trying to figure that out. But then, can I actually use 19 over 12 divided by that, right? Remember what we talked about last time? We treat that one like A divided by B is equal to C. So then B should be equal to 8 divided directly to C. Okay? So again, I think you know how to do that. So let's go back to the question. Okay. So then I have 57. So divided by 57 over 66 is equal to 9 over 4 minus the box. Over here, 19 over 12 multiplied by 66 over 57. Okay? It's equal to 9 over 4 minus that. So let's solve that. Should be very simple, right? Okay, so this one is just 2. This one is 11. Hey, this one is 1. That one's 3. Perfect. I got 11 over 6. So let's take everything out here. 11 over 6 is equal to 9 over 4 minus that. Okay, something. 9 over 4 minus the box is equal to 11 over 6. Then that also means box is equal to 9 over 4 minus 11 over 6. So what's that? 27 over 12 minus 12, and this is 22. And the answer should be 5 over 12. So that's how you solve all the way here. So if you put 5 over 12 into it, the whole system works. You can also verify it by yourself, okay? And for question number 2, I want you to try it on your own. It's the same ideology, all right? This time, this part, you don't know what it is, and then you're trying to figure the whole thing out. You want to try and punch in a number that makes the whole thing work. So then you're gonna start with this whole big part here. You want to figure out what the value for that is, the big part. Then you can get it down one by one. Okay.